Dragon English, Dragon English, Dragon English helps me speak, helps me speak, helps me speak. Dragon English helps me speak. Hello and welcome. April 12 is Grilled Cheese Day. A grill is almost like a barbecue. Some people use the word grill and barbecue almost the same. In Taiwan, we barbecue chicken or beef or pork or seafood. We grill mushrooms and corn and water shoots. We grill many things. A barbecue grill is open to let the grease fall down. In some parts of the U.S., the grill does not have holes. It has grooves to let the grease drain away. But even then, we don't grill cheese that way. Most Americans love what we call a grilled cheese sandwich. We put butter on one side of a slice of bread, put some cheese on the non-buttered side. Put another piece of bread, butter side up. On the first piece of bread, we then fry the sandwich until both sides are nicely brown. It's the same kind of brown as a pancake. Anytime, but especially in the winter, we love a grilled cheese sandwich in a bowl or cup of soup. My favorite was tomato soup. I love grilled cheese sandwiches even without soup. Just hot, toasted bread with yummy, stringy, stretchy cheese in the middle. Yum, yum. If you have some bread and some cheese at home, you can try to make a grilled cheese sandwich. So whether today is April 12 or not, have a happy day and thanks for reading with us. Dragon English helps me speak. Quiz. What day is April 12? A. Barbecue Day. B. Grilled Cheese Day. C. Grilled Shrimp Day. D. Boiled Oysters Day. 2. When we cook grilled cheese sandwiches, when do we know they are finished cooking? A. They turn white. B. They turn black. C. They turn brown. D. They turn blue.